Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Christmas centerpiece arrangement that's fun, modern, and super easy to make. So watch along and I'll show you exactly how to make it. In terms of supplies that I need, I've got this floral foam that I've pre-soaked. I've just got it in a little container here. And I've got these, which I put my candles into, and then they actually penetrate the foam so it stays nice and upright. And then I've got my trusty pruners. I've got some eryngium that I cut up. This is a full size of seeded eucalyptus, and this is about one full bunch of silver dollar eucalyptus. So I'm gonna start by cutting into smaller pieces. I've already cut the silver dollar, and I'm just gonna start inserting it into my oasis foam. I'm gonna wanna make sure that there's no leaves where it actually gets inserted into the foam, because that sort of impedes the eucalyptus from going in. And then any pieces that are bigger like this, I'm just gonna chop into a bit more manageable sizes. I'm just gonna work my way around the whole arrangement. Like this one here, pull off that little leaf so we don't have that going into the foam. And just start filling in the foam from all corners. I worked my way around, filling in the bottom part of the arrangement. And now I'm gonna start to slightly angle my eucalyptus upwards a little bit to start to fill in the more upward facing part of my arrangement. As I get more and more towards the top, I'm going to start putting the pieces more and more vertical. I'm going to stop there when I have about this full, because I'm going to use now the seeded eucalyptus to fill in the gap. So I used about one bunch of silver dollar eucalyptus to get to this point. Seeded eucalyptus particularly has a lot of offshoots, so same idea. I'm going to just be cutting them off so I get to more manageable pieces. And then I'm just going to nestle these amongst. This creates a lot of really nice texture and really gives a modern vibe. I can even pull off the side pieces just using my fingers to have some differing sort of sizes and shapes. When I pulled it off though, you get kind of a run, and then that won't go into the foam very well. So I need to use the pruners there to just make sure it stays nice and sharp so it will actually go within the foam. I'm gonna add in my eryngium now for some cool, fun texture throughout. This one is blue eryngium. There also is green, but I wanted to kind of stay within the same color vibe, so I chose blue eryngium for today. Sometimes it helps to actually pick it up so that way you can look from different angles and see if there's any holes that are missing. If there's any foam you can see a little bit of foam down at the bottom here. So I'll just add in a little bit more of the eucalyptus just to sort of hide that foam. And then I'm going to add in my candles. So if you don't put them in a little container like this, the foam really is so wiggly that your candles don't have stability. So this holds them nice and upright so they don't tip over and cause a fire hazard. So I'm just gonna add these two nestled nicely in there. And there you go. This is a super cute and easy to make modern Christmas arrangement, perfect for your tablescape or even for gifting to a friend. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning from me today.